Thank you for taking the time to view this MaintSmart introductory video. I'll begin by logging into MaintSmart with my user ID. The significance of the user ID is that MaintSmart will identify my level of permissions in the program, determining where I can go and what I can do in the program. The other benefit of this is the fact that this allows use of MaintSmart to all personnel in your company at some level. I'll begin by going to the work order screen. All the screens in MaintSmart are consistent. You'll find the same 4 buttons in the lower right, and they'll always do the same thing. If I want a new work order, I'll click the New button. Simple drop-down lists that may be filtered provide a consistent way to select data. Clicking the Save button will save the record. In this case, it's a work order. Printing a work order is equally simple. I select the row, right-click, pick the Print Preview menu, and there's my work order. This work order can be emailed or printed or faxed from this Print Preview screen. Moving on to the analysis part of the program, we'll look at the downtime analysis. There are several ways to report and analyze data in MaintSmart. One way to report, and again, all the screens work the same way: File, Print, Report. In this case, I'll pull up the top 10 failure causes. And in this case, I have a chart along with unexpected breakdown data or downtime data. Another way to report would be to simply go File, Save, and again, all screens work the same way, and I could export this to Excel, and MaintSmart will immediately pull all of the data from the data grid into Excel and display it in a print preview. This data can also be imported directly into a web page. One of the more powerful ways to analyze and print data in MaintSmart is to use the OLAP feature. OLAP stands for Online Analytical Processing. What's happening here is MaintSmart is importing all the data from the underlying screen into this OLAP screen. At this point, we can drag fields and drop them and generate a data set. This data set can be stacked, and we can also pull more data down to the columns. You'll notice it's totaled. You can also average it and perform other statistical analysis on it. While this is going on, it's also generating a chart, and as you can see, the chart is dynamically affected as we drag and drop. This data may also be exported directly to Excel. The inventory and purchasing part of the program is quite extensive. I'm going to go to the hot sheet screen, and here is one way you can access the inventory for the purpose of creating requisitions. And I'll pick a few of the items that need to be reordered. Click Create Requisition, and MaintSmart creates a purchase requisition for me. This can be immediately emailed to the vendor or to the purchasing agent. Okay, lastly, MaintSmart is fully translatable into any language. It's widely used in over 35 countries. MaintSmart has been in business for 18 years. MaintSmart will save you time and money and provide a consistent, simple, easy to use, and flexible interface. Furthermore, with MaintSmart's many analysis tools and automated features, MaintSmart will direct you to problem equipment and provide an automated work issuance and reporting system to address these issues. Be sure to request your free personalized demo of MaintSmart today.